Good morning. Namaste. Pranam to all brothers and sisters of India. This 2020, we all fear about the different types of viral diseases. My subject will be medical sciences and astrology. Today, I am going to speak about the viral infection. The even common cold that the moon and Jupiter is the karaka of cough. Moon is malefic. Moon is in the 8th house. Or ruler of the 8th will be moon, who is in the 7th house. Jaladosha Kamila Venasadi Ramani Huda. Common cold, always the common cold. During the climate change, we feel some cold. This viral infection is very common, especially in childhood. The common cold is one of the most frequently experienced illness. Also generally one of the less serious, but so many different types of viral diseases are there. The H1N1, bird fever, monkey fever, etc. Now the coronavirus, that also a viral infection. At least 200 different and highly contagious types of virus can cause the problem. They spread in fluid that floats through air in tiny droplets of mucus, coughed or sneezed out by sufferers, and also in films of moisture transferred from person to person by close contact, such as shaking hands or via shared objects. Such symptoms involved frequent sneezing, a running nose, which at first runs with a clear thin discharge that may later become thicker and greenish yellow, and headache, slightly raised temperature, and perhaps an accompanying sore throat, cough, and sore reddened eyes. Antibiotic drugs ineffective as they do not work against virus. In green tea with some black pepper and ginger, make boiling with water with tulasi, and put some jaggery also. That also good to prevent. The lime juice, take 1 spoon lime juice with ginger juice. That also good. Take tulasi juice, ginger juice, lime juice, honey with pepper, 1 spoon daily. For if you have feel the virus diseases, it can prevent. Cold virus mutate their surfaces coating so rapidly that even if antiviral drugs could be made to tackle existing strains, they would be ineffective against the new ones. The coronavirus, just like viruses, the Most cold remedies such as deconstant or inhalants to relieve nasal stuffiness treat the symptoms while the body is immune system attacks the invading microbes. Influenza, usually called flu, the infection causes symptoms including fever, chills, sneezing, sore throat, headache, muscle ache, and fatigue. Influenza is primarily an upper respiratory tract infection but also has body-wise symptoms, raised temperature, sensations of being hot and sweaty and then cold with shivers, muscles aches and exhaustion. Even after the main infection has cleared up, there may be lingering depression and fatigue. The influenza viruses are called A, B, and C and are very continuous influences. A tends to produce a regular outbreak and can also affect domestic animals such as pigs, horses, and fowls. The influenza B usually causes more sporadic outbreaks in place where many people gather and interact. Influenza C is less likely to change or mutate. People at risk of complications are those with existing illness can be vaccinated before the main risk time of the winter season. Because the virus can mutate, new vaccines are prepared annually. Now the coronavirus also is one type of that virus disease. Now in India and Germany, the scientists found the medicine for the coronavirus and just like similar viruses. Complications include respiratory tract infections such as pneumonia and acute bronchitis. Influenza can be life threatening to very young and elderly people. Some epidemics kill people of all ages. The moon and Saturn are very important to that disease. The Jupiter with malefic in 2nd, 6th, 8th suffers this disease. And Jupiter in the malefic with Mandi, the person will get the influenza or the viral fever. Moon also the Karaga of water, and Jupiter the Karaga of cough. And so Jupiter is malefic, Moon is malefic, and the person will get the viral diseases. Thank you very much. I'll come tomorrow with other subjects.